Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed TV. Thanks for watching. What do we have today? A 2017 Challenger. So this car is an A8 automatic transmission and has a 6.4 liter engine, naturally aspirated, no supercharger. The car came in here pretty much bone stock except for the exception of a Canon cold air intake. We added a set of Kooks headers and Flowmaster mufflers. I thought before it gets a calibration on it, let's see what this thing's gonna make. So again, it has a set of Kooks headers, Canon cold air intake, and the factory computer calibration on the car. We're gonna make a dyno pull on our Dynojet. Let's take a look. I don't think that was that bad. Let's take a look at the numbers. So this is Dynojet dyno, and this is an SAE rating. Check this out. So basically 429 rear wheel horsepower and 438 foot-pounds of torque. I ran it up to about 6,200 RPMs. Automatic transmission. Pretty stout for a car with headers and a cold air intake on it. I think it's pretty cool. I do like the way this car looks. I like the all black. I don't drive a lot of Challengers, and I think this one, came out okay. It's gonna pick up some power when it gets a calibration on it for sure. And that's a dyno rated SAE. So you can add about 10 horse to that if you're gonna do like a standard rating. So when you watch different videos and you look at dyno numbers, there's different brand dynos and there's different ratings. We're rating this one SAE. Some people rate them standard, but there it is, 2017 Challenger. Stock car with a set of headers and cold air intake. Not bad. Please subscribe if you like this video, want to watch other videos, and leave a comment if you have some questions. I'd be happy to answer. Thanks.